Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media bundles for browsing. These special data packages are designed to give you dedicated access to your favorite social platforms without touching your main data plan. Imagine having a separate pool of data, perhaps 5 gigabytes, just for apps like Facebook and Instagram. This clever approach helps you manage your mobile data more efficiently, ensuring you stay connected where it matters most. Activating your social media bundle is usually a straightforward process. Begin by opening your mobile provider's official application or visiting their website. Look for the section dedicated to data plans or bundles, where you will find various options. Choose the social media bundle that aligns with your usage, then simply confirm your selection. The activation process is quick, often completing within just a few minutes, getting you online swiftly. Once your social media bundle is active, you can start browsing your favorite platforms without worry. Data consumed by included applications, like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, will automatically draw from your dedicated bundle. This means your main data remains untouched for other online activities. Remember to regularly check your provider's mobile application to monitor your remaining bundle data, ensuring you always know your usage status. To get the most out of your social media bundle, consider a few smart practices. Always close any background applications that might be consuming data unnecessarily. For activities like streaming high-definition videos or downloading large files, it is best to use Wi-Fi or your main data plan. If you find yourself consistently running out, upgrading to a larger bundle might be a wise choice. Regularly reviewing your usage helps you optimize your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.